Beyond the headlines, beyond the hype. Today, we unlock its secrets, how Bitcoin actually works.
We use digital money every day. But how does money exist purely digitally, without banks or governments?
Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin has no central bank, no single company or government controlling it. It's truly decentralized. Bitcoin uses a technology called the blockchain. Think of it as a huge, public ledger, where every single transaction is This transaction then gets broadcast to the network. Miners are special computers that compete to verify these transactions by solving incredibly complex digital puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle creates a new block of verified transactions. This is called proof of work, a verifiable effort that secures the block. This new block is then added to the existing blockchain, becoming a permanent and irreversible part of the ledger. This process happens roughly every 10 minutes. For their hard work, the successful miner gets two things: newly minted Bitcoin, called the block reward, and the transaction fees from the block's transactions. Roughly every 4 years, the block reward is cut in half. This is called the halving. It makes Bitcoin increase because every block is cryptographically linked and verified by the entire network. Changing an old transaction is virtually impossible. This is why Bitcoin is so secure. This decentralization means you don't have to trust a single bank or government. You trust the cryptography. You hold Bitcoin in a digital wallet, protected by cryptographic keys. Your public key is like your bank account number. Your private key.
Bitcoin gains value scarcity. Only 21 million ever.
Oh, what can you do with Bitcoin? Use it for everyday purchases, send money across borders instantly, or hold it as a store of value, like digital gold.
Bitcoin isn't just technology. It's a new paradigm for money. It empowers individuals and builds a more
Ready to dive deeper into the world of Bitcoin? Like this video, subscribe for more insights, and explore the future of money with us.